Hello everyone, good night. Thank you for joining this meeting. Today we are going to discuss our project about creating a video on the prohibition of student fighting.
Good night. Thank you for invite me. I think this topic is very important because student fighting is still happening in many schools.
I agree. Before we start making the video, let's decide your main objective.
Our objective is to educate students about the dangers of fighting and encourage them so solve problem peacefully.
That's a good objective. Now let's discuss the structure of your video. What should we include in the introduction?
We should introduce ourselves and explain why we chose this topic. We can also ask a simple question like, is fighting really the best way to solve a problem?
That's a great idea. It will catch the audience attention. What should come next?
What should come next? After the introduction, we should explain what student fighting is and why it happens.
Right. We can mention that fighting often start because of misunderstandings, anger, peer pressure, or social media argument.
Yes, sometimes students fight because they want to protect their friend or prove that they are brave.
Then we should explain the negative effects of fighting.
Fighting can cause physical injuries, emotional stress, school compensation, legal problem, and damage to a student future.
We should also explain that fighting hurts not only the student but also their families, teachers, and friends.
I agree. Many parents feel disappointed and worried when their children get involved in fights.
After discussing the problem, we need to provide a solution.
Student should stay calm. Think before acting, communicate politely, and ask teacher or parents for help when they have they have confidence.
We can also encourage students to join sport, music, or school clubs instead of spending time in negative activity.
That's true. Positive activities help student make good friend and develop useful skill.
Do you think we should include a short example in the video?
I think yes. I think we can show to student arguing, but instead of fighting, they choose to talk calmly and solve the problem peacefully.
I like that idea because it gives the audience a good example.
We should also add a message that asking for help is not a sign of weakness.
Actually, it show responsibility and maturity.
What about the ending?
At the end, we should remind everyone that every student has the responsibility to create a safe and peaceful school environment.
We can end with this message. Say no to student fighting. Choose respect, kindness, and peace. Together, we can build a better future.
That's an excellent closing message.
Do we need background music and subtitle?
Yes. So background music and English subtitle will make the video more interesting and easier to understand.
We will edit the video.
I will edit the video and you can help prepare the script and collect the pictures and the clips.
No problem. I finish my part before Friday.
Great. I'll complete the editing this weekend.
Oh, we can. Perfect. I think we have discussed everything we need.
Thank you for your idea and cooperation. I hope your video can inspire student to avoid fighting and cause peace.
Okay, you're welcome, Mr. Rifki. I'm sure our video will have a positive impact.
Yeah. Thank you. The meeting is over. Have a good night.
Thank you. Have a good night too. Thank you for watching. See you next
Video.
10 menit. Don.